In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Samsung Galaxy M13. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. It's this app right here. Let's click install. When the app is ready, open it. Here you can sign in order to synchronize other devices with this browser. I'm gonna do it later. You can also enable or disable this data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disable them and also move on. Now let's set this Microsoft Edge as our default browser, but if you don't want it, click not now. I'm gonna go for it. So let's pick Edge, set as default, and after that our browser will be ready, so we can browse any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.